Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. Today on a beautiful morning here in East Texas, and we've got a water issue. Today's not a how-to video, it's a, hey, watch me try to take care of a serious problem here on my homestead, which is water mitigation. It is drainage, and our property is kind of shaped like a V in that this is the low point. Our other property up there goes up, and this property in front of me goes up, and it all congregates down here in the dry creek. Well, it doesn't flow evenly down there. It all comes, all right, let's see if I can show you, from the house, from that big oak tree, all the way from the grapes, from the garden, and all the way up to the barn. This entire area drains straight down right there. And can we move the bridge? Yeah, but that would cost me some cash. So I need to divert this water around it, because let me show you, it has been a real pain trying to keep this thing stable here, and I don't know how much work was done on this bridge in the past by the previous homeowners, but you can see some, okay? So what we can see here is previous homeowner had put some sort of concrete block barrier here and some concrete bags to help mitigate the water from this space eroding the side of the bridge. Well, that diverted the water on top of the bridge. As you can see, this morning I've already added some dirt in this huge gully that's formed, and it was bigger before, and you can see its exit right there. This huge gully right down the center of the bridge. So I wasn't able to use it until I got some dirt in here and I was able to get the tractor across. But the idea is to divert the water past the gate up here along the side of the property, which is actually a little higher, so it's going to be a challenge. But right where the tractor is, I'm going to dig a ditch with the box blade. I'm going to set it on an angle so I can dig one side deep and it slopes up. I can still drive across it, and I'm going to line that thing with some concrete, and we're going to get it to come all the way from probably those sweet gum trees right there, all the way over to the side here, and then down, and hopefully it'll catch this gully on the side and not come right down the center of my bridge. So that's the idea so far. That's the only one I have. If you guys are, engineers out there, you want to comment, I'd appreciate it, because I just have no idea what to do with this except for diverting the water away from the bridge. I mean, that makes the most sense. We're going to try to do it the best we can and figure this out. So come along with us and see what we do. First things first, we're going to angle our box blade. Now all you need is some sort of level. We just have this piece of junk little level here, but we're on level ground to start with. So we're going to angle our box blade to one side so we can start digging and dragging to dig that trench. Okay, well, here's semi-completion of the project, right? We've got the trench dug in this direction, and then a trench dug down to where the gully is on the side of the bridge, and hopefully that's going to mitigate the water right now. We're not going to do concrete right now. We don't have time for that, and the weather's all over the place in terms of hot, cold, and we're just not going to screw around with it. We've got a lot of other projects to do on the homestead. So if you, like I said, if you're a hydrologist or a hydro engineer or some sort of engineer, tell me if this is going to work. I think it's going to work. It's just kind of common sense. Keep the water away and divert it. So that's what we got today. We appreciate you watching, everyone. Thank you so much. Don't forget to go visit us on countrylivingexperience.com and also check out all of our other videos here on the channel. Subscribe, most importantly, join the family here. We're growing every day. Thanks, have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.